Amistishreita. Nil Chikia Muta Nil Joy Schneider Shamus Quachich Amish Kalapa. It's a good day. My name is Kikia and my English name is Joy Schneider. How is everybody? This is a resource that will help with anyone who is trying to learn the language by reading and writing it using linguistic practices. So bringing the sounds of Ucwalmícwts into one slideshow. You can see there are a few of them there. I hope that it's helpful in your language learning, and I've created this for the Ucwalmícwts Learning Language Program, year 2026-27. Ah, 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 palachute, ah, 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 eh, 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 kia, chute, eh, 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 ooh, 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 pulaka, chute, ooh, 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 eh, 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 sheps, chute, eh, eh, ah, 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 splant, chute, ah, ah, eh, 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 clips, chute, eh, eh, oh, 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 kaso, chute, oh, oh, ah, 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 paska, chute, ah, p, 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 chipun, chute, p, p, t, t, tachlach, chute, t, 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 ch, 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 chuchin, chute, ch, 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 k, 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 kapochut, k, 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 qu, 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 quishchut, qu, 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 k, 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 commute, chut, k, 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 qu, 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 schnuckwam, chut, qu, 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 ha, 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 hakwa, chut, ha, 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 pa, 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 spatsk, chut, pa, 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 clap, 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 clana, chut, clap, 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 tsi, chut, and kiap, chut, qu, 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 quashich, chut, qu, 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 k, k, kamp, chut, quach, 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 qualch, chut, quach, quach, quach. The 7 in our language represents a sudden stop with vowel sounds. So, spazoza, 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 chut, 7. Sh, 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 shlamala, chut, sh, sh, sh. Ishwar, chut, mul, chut, cheat, chut, michal, chut, hua, hua, ho chin chut, hua, 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 z, 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 zman chut, z, 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 zu, 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 kload chut, zu, 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 l, 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 lam chal chut, l, l, l. Mm, mm, mm. Mao chut. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Nech noch chut. Mm, mm, mm. Er, er, er. Krapul chut. Er. Hr, hr, hr. Kreichman chut. Hr, hr, hr. Hua, hua, hua. Whelp chut hua, hua, hua. Wa, wa, wa. Weplilta chut wa, wa, wa. Ya, ya, ya. Yakuta chut ya, ya, ya. E, e, e. Ishwash chut e, e, e. M, m, m. Mas chut m, m, m. Mm, mm, mm. Anwish chut. Mm, mm. Rrp, rrp, rrp. Shrp chut. Rrp, rrp, rrp. Hrr, hrr, hrr. Papechla chut. Hrr, hrr, hrr. Nwa, nwa, nwa. Youch chut. Wa, wa, wa. Woo, woo, woo. Sklau chut. Woo, woo, woo. Y, y, y. Hoy chut. Y, y, y. Nishti, all done. That wasn't very easy to do. It's hard to isolate those sounds that we're not used to hearing or speaking in the English language. I did my best as I hear and learn from the Lilwat First Voices page. If you click on the QR code there, it will bring you right to where I listen to the sounds of the Ucwalmícwts language, and also drawing from what we learned from Geneva Quip, a language speaker and linguist. So Kalap, everyone, for coming and watching and learning. I raise my hands to the Ucwalmícwts All Nation Services Society for their ongoing administrative support and encouragements, and to the First Peoples Cultural Council, who to continue to fund our efforts in fully reclaiming our beautiful Ucwalmícwts. Kahwa hupa tien kwalutna, and I sincerely hope the language is coming back for you as well. Ta kaminshnuknukwa muta ama kwishwaju.